Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ClickUp for task management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open ClickUp and log into your account. If you don't have an account, visit the ClickUp website to sign up for free. Once you're logged in, you will land on your ClickUp dashboard. To create a new space for your tasks, click on the Spaces tab on the left sidebar. Select the New Space button at the top right corner. Give your new space a name that relates to your project or team. Choose a color for your space to keep your workspace organized visually. Click Create Space to finalize. Next, navigate to the Folders section within your newly created space. Click on the New Folder button to organize your tasks further. Name your folder based on the category of tasks you want to manage. Once created, select the folder and click the New List button. Lists are where you will store individual tasks, so name it accordingly. To create a task, click on the newly created list and then select the New Task button. Enter a name for your task and add a description if necessary. Assign the task to a team member by clicking on the Assignee section. Set a due date by clicking on the calendar icon next to the due date field. You can also prioritize your task using the priority drop-down. Add any relevant tags for better organization. If you want to create subtasks, click on the Add Subtask option. Once your task is configured, click Save to finalize it. To view your tasks in different formats, utilize the Views button at the top right. Try the list, board, or calendar views to see what works best for you. For more advanced organization, consider setting up recurring tasks. Select your task, and in the task options, click Set Recurrence. Choose how often you want the task to reappear, then save your changes. If you want to collaborate, use the comments section within each task for discussions. Integrate your ClickUp with other tools by visiting the Integrations section in Settings. Finally, review your overall task management by regularly checking your dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.